Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the blower motor and AC blower motor module on a 2015 Honda Accord. You'll find the blower motor passenger side underneath this kick panel, and you'll find the AC blower motor transistor or module behind the glove box. Starting with the kick panel underneath the glove box, you're going to find it held on by some clips. Go ahead and pull those down. Set this to the side. You're going to find the blower motor located right here. We're going to undo one clip. It also has a connector right here, or a clip that's holding onto the housing. Remove that as well. You're going to find 3 T25 screws, one here, here, and over here. Go ahead and remove those. For the last screw, all the way in the back, I had to switch to a ratchet and T25 socket because the clearance here is too small. Make sure to support the blower motor so it doesn't come falling down. This is the new part from Honda. Here's the part number. Slide in the new blower motor. Line up the holes that the screws go into. Keep holding and start the screw by hand. Get a few threads in, and then you can drive it down. Not too tight. Now we can grab the harness, reconnect it. Now to get to the transistor or the blower motor module, we'll start by removing the trim panel. At the bottom, you can grab a hold and start popping it off. You'll see one Phillips screw right here. Next, we're going to remove the trim here. Start by pulling on this side here and work your way towards the center. You can remove the panel. You see all these clips here. Just remove that. Set it to the side, and you'll find 3 Phillips screws here and here. Remove those 3. Underneath on the left and right side, you'll find 2 more Phillips screws. With all the screws removed, you can go ahead and pull on the glove box unit, angle it down, and you're going to find a harness on the back side as well as one connector for the trunk. Here's the 2-pin connector for the trunk. Remove that. You're going to find the harness right here, connects with a clip here and also connects over here with a clip. Go ahead and lever those out. Now you can remove the whole glove box and set this to the side. We're going to remove one Phillips head screw right here. It's also a 10mm. And then further in here, there's another Phillips screw. You'll see it right here. Right in there. Remove that Phillips screw. I'm using an extra long bit to reach that. Next is to remove the gray clip right here. You have one more Phillips screw down here at the bottom. One more cable harness up here. Detach that and pull this off. Now when you're looking at the blower motor housing like this, the transistor or AC blower module is tucked away in this corner. In that connector, you have a Phillips screw up here and one down here. Remove that connector, 2 screws, and pop that module out. Cable has a clip on the top side. Push it down. Here's the first screw. And the second screw. Now you can grab the resistor. It comes right on out. Here's what it looks like. This is the old part. We'll trash that. This is the new one. And this is the part number from Honda. So now we're going to install it back into that hole. The side where the clip goes on is going to be facing up, not upside down. So install it like this. Here's the first Phillips screw. Plug in the white connector for the module. And now we're going to install the air duct. We'll fit it into the hole over here. Plug in the gray clip, the one on the left side. And now we have a Phillips down here and a Phillips up there. And now we're going to put in the glove box back inside. If you have your wiring harness up top so it wasn't in the way, make sure to bring it down now so you can plug in the clips and your connector for the trunk. Now we have the 3 Phillips screws. One here in this corner. One in the center. And the last one off to the left side. Now you can put in this trim piece. Clip everything back in. Screw in the Phillips on the side of the glove box. The Phillips screw on the bottom left. And our last Phillips on the bottom right. Now the last thing to do is to insert the side trim. This little anchor right here goes into that hole right there. So aim that first. And this piece goes in pretty deep. And you can angle it in. The reason I replaced the blower motor and the transistor for 2 separate concerns. One of them was when I would start the car up in a hot day and the cabin is really hot, I could put the AC setting to max blower speed. It won't move at all. or it would move at a very, very low speed. It wouldn't be until it cooled down for after about 10 to 15 seconds, then it'll give me max speed. And the second concern was, as the blower motor was spinning, it sounded like something was scratching, or you could hear as if something was like going and the faster you increase the speed of the blower, the louder that little ticking sound was. I removed the blower motor, inspected it, and didn't find any debris, leaves, or anything inside of it. And I did remove it, connect it, and turn down the blower motor as I held it around this area, and I could hear that the noise was coming from within the blower motor itself. And those aren't serviceable, so replacement was the only option. The last thing to do is now to install the bottom cover. Match up these points here and here to the hole there and to the hole here. Come on up, find the clips, the holes for the clips, and just push in. Alright, so that's the end of the video. If you learned something, if I helped you save some money, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you want to watch more videos on the 2015 Honda Accord, click right here on the top left corner for the playlist. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.